Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you navigate the wild world of consumer products. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy side of cleaning with a showdown between the Gorfinti Steam Mop and the Waitbird Steam Cleaner. It's the battle of the Steam Titans. Who will emerge victorious in this epic clash of cleanliness? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about price. Both the Gorfinti and the Waitbird are priced at $139. Reviewers of the Gorfinti appreciate its affordability and versatility, while the Waitbird users find it to be a reliable investment for its efficiency and performance. So regardless of your choice, you won't have to break the bank. Now, let's crank up the heat. The Gorfinti reaches a steamy 212 degrees Fahrenheit, while the Waitbird really turns it up to a sizzling 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers of the Waitbird rave about its powerful steam output that tackles tough grime effectively. On the other hand, Gorfinti users love its efficient cleaning, but note it may not reach the same high temperatures as the Waitbird. Next up, water tank capacity. The Gorfinti has a 300 milliliters tank, while the Waitbird boasts a whopping 38 ounces tank. Reviewers highlight that the Waitbird's larger tank allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills, making it a favorite for those looking to clean larger areas. Gorfinti users, however, appreciate its lightweight design, even with a smaller tank. Let's talk accessories. The Gorfinti comes with 10 handy tools, while Waitbird brings a party with 21 accessories. Reviewers of the Waitbird love the variety of tools that come with it, which makes it versatile for different cleaning tasks. Gorfinti users find its tools to be efficient, but wish for a few more options. Safety first, folks! The Waitbird has a built-in child safety lock. Reviewers appreciate this feature, especially those with young kids. Meanwhile, Gorfinti is also safe, but lacks that little lock. Users of Gorfinti recommend supervising children around it, ensuring that safety is a priority. Both the Gorfinti and Waitbird have received positive reviews, with users highlighting their strengths. Gorfinti is praised for its versatility and ease of use, while Waitbird is recognized for its powerful steam and larger capacity. So, there you have it. Both the Gorfinti and Waitbird have their strengths and weaknesses. If you want versatility and a little more fun with your cleaning, go for the Waitbird. But if you're looking for something more straightforward, the Gorfinti has your back. Remember, folks, whether you're fighting grime or just trying to impress your in-laws, the right steam cleaner can make all the difference. Hit that like button if you found this comparison helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more battles of the best. Until next time, stay clean and steam on.